Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset channel. In today's video I want to show you how to reset network preferences or network settings in OPPO Reno 13. So first, go to settings and now scroll down until you see system and update. Now click on backup and reset, click reset phone, and now click reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now you need to verify it, and as you can see, we will reset the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings if we click it. And now, as you can see, it's all done. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.